So apparently yesterday was National Dog Day, and I didn't realize it until it was too late last night officially. Buddy, I'm sorry. Your daddy's sorry that he forgot about you on National Dog Day, even though every day is National Dog Day for you. But in order to make it up to him, I told him I'd give him a little airtime this morning, and he wanted to do some tricks for you guys in honor of National Dog Day and all the other dogs out there. So, buddy, are you ready? Are you ready? You want to do some tricks? You want some treats? You want some treats? Okay, here we go. Ready, buddy? On your bed. Good boy. Good sit. No, sit up. Sit up. Easy speak. Easy speak. No, no barking. Easy speak. Good boy. Southpaw. Good boy. Lay down. Head down. Good boy. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Good boy. Sit up. Sit up. Good boy. Up. Up. Good boy. Giddy kiss. Giddy kiss. Giddy kiss. Giddy kiss. Thank you. Giddy another kiss. Thank you. Okay. Cassius, who's that? Stand guard. Stand guard. Who's that? Stand guard. Stand guard. Good boy. Easy. Good boy. Good boy. Easy speak. No. Hey. Easy. Easy speak. Easy speak. Easy speak. Southpaw. Good boy. Lay down. Head down. Good boy. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Stand guard. Good boy.